Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be unboxing my new Acer Chromebook 715. I bought it at Walmart's online Black Friday sale for $2.99. I think after taxes it was $315. Shipping was free. Typically this one sells for I think $3.99. I checked the sales today, which is still Friday of Cyber Week, a week later, and it's on sale now for $349.99. So I got a pretty good deal on Black Friday. Now this is the version that has a Core i3 for the processor. The color is steel gray. It's got a 4 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of onboard storage. As you can see, it's still brand new in the box. Just picked it up. Still has the seal on there. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and cut it open. This has the 15.6-inch screen with full HD resolution, meaning it's 1080p. So I think the actual resolution is 1920 by 1080. Again, I opted for the i3 core processor versus a lot of the Chromebooks will tend to have older Pentium or Celeron processors. Again, for the price specifications, I believe I got a pretty decent setup here. Alright, so here we go. As you can see, open the box. Got the packaging here. On the right side, power cords and wall adapter. You got the holders to kind of keep it floating inside the box so it doesn't get damaged. Underneath the Chromebook, standard paperwork it looks like. I'm not sure what that is. This looks like safety and warranty info. This is the quick setup guide here. Alright, remove the protective holding here. And it's, as you can see, so far it's in actually it's kind of a cloth-like bag versus the polystyrene or foam-like bag that you're going to get. Alright, so this is it so far. It's very thin, pretty light for a laptop. Right next to me here I've got my older Dell XPS 15.6-inch laptop, and it's way heavier than this, but that's an older computer with a built-in DVD or Blu-ray DVD player. Let's see, so on this side here, which is going to be the left side, you got a USB 3 port, headphone jack, and USB-C port there. On the back side it's clean, no ports or anything like that. Underneath you can see the venting there for the computer. These look like speaker ports here. Rubber feet, one long rubber foot across the bottom. And then on the opposite side here, looks like we got your micro SD card, another USB-C port, and a Kensington lock port right there. Alright, so opening up. Let's see if I can do this without dropping it. Got just a protective sheet between the screen and the keyboard. Now this one is unique in that it's, like I said, it's a bigger screen, 15.6-inch. But if you notice in this one here, this keyboard also has a numeric keypad, touchpad, and then here's your sticker telling you all the different things about it. Intel Core i3 sticker there as well. This is the 8th generation core, so it's not the latest processor, but is newer and significantly more powerful than your Intel Pentiums and your Celerons, which many Chromebooks presently have. Here's the sticker that shows that it is full 1080p. And the nice screen's got a matte finish to it, so it should be anti-glare. Alright guys, so that's the unboxing of this Acer Chromebook 715. Hopefully it's been informative if you're looking at a new Chromebook within your price range. Again, right now it's on sale still during Cyber Week for $349.99 at Walmart that I saw. I'm sure you may be able to find deals on Amazon, Target, or elsewhere that may be better or not. Anyway, if you found this video to be helpful and instructive, give it a thumbs up and hit that like button. Thanks, guys.